Hope you're all feeling the Easter vibe. Hope you all are enjoying the holidays. So, in case you're joining us for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. And at all, you have something to say, you have something you just want to air out, or you have something, you have a comment to give, the comment section is down below for you. And also, my social media handles are tagged down below on the description box, where any day, anytime you can get in touch. And don't forget to inspire souls by sharing these videos. People are going through stuff that they just want to get a shoulder where they can lean on. So be the reason, be the purpose. And most importantly, criticism and opinions are allowed. So in case you're not liking this vibe, and if at all you just feel like it's getting too much, and for all of us who are in for the positive vibes, as in, let us make these smiles get broader, so you can always give it a thumbs up. So on today's episode, we're just coming to understand and know why the Easter holidays came to existence. And in as much as Corona and the new normal has really affected us, we just want to know what ways can we just embrace, and how can we live with this norm and still get to uphold the dignity and just the ways that we were brought in just to celebrate these days. So let's get started. Have you ever asked yourself why Easter holiday came to existence? Personally, I've never, but this is the time where I've just had this session and I felt like I have to share with you guys. Like, I believe Easter holiday is one of those days that the whole global gets to celebrate, and the whole global just gets to appreciate the birth, the death, and the resurrection of Jesus Christ, right? I believe we Christians had this common way of celebrating and appreciating these days, where we will just go to church, attend this service, or have these sessions with our spiritual beings, our spiritual fathers, and just get to understand more, check into our souls, get to remember why Jesus died for us, and just get to know more on reasons as to why the salvation came to pass. So times have changed, things have really happened, and the most unexpected thing was this stuff where people would be limited, or people got to be restricted from attending the church. Very ironical, right? Sometimes I just laugh on the fact that never has it happened. Like, there's no day that someone has been told, like, you're not going to church, or we're only having a limited number of people, or we're not going to church. This country is not doing this for a specific period of time. But sadly, Corona had to get us to this point. Speaking to my friends, so we Kenyans, we have this third wave of Corona, and so a few counties were put on lockdown, and churches in the restricted and lockdown counties were put on a standstill, like we are not allowed to attend and have these social gatherings until further notice. So I was so eager to know, like, how are you guys managing these days now that it's always been a norm? Like, we all have to attend church, we have to have this session, and as you all know, it's been different where people are now caged in their houses. So I really wanted to understand, because people are used to going to church, having their sessions, and so these are the 3 days where you just have to stay in your house and just, make the greatest moment of what you can do, as in just to create memories. With that said, so one of the things people were telling me they were doing was just catching up and having this family bonding, which I really appreciate, which I feel like it's very intimate. Like, when you're having your parents around, you're just having your siblings around, and you have nothing else to do than to just reminisce, because you can't avoid the fact that it's the holiday, so we have to celebrate. So some people told me, like, they used to tune in to these services, create some delicacies, and call it their holiday, whereas some of us were just hanging out with friends, having in mind, like, most of the times your friends are not there, or they're busy, or are just working on different schedules. So apparently it happens to be this time where all of you are available. So why not catch up? So I believe some people took a greater part of the technology and social media, where they just had to, like TikTok, Gram, Snap, and everything that comes with it, like link up with everyone, stream for these movies, and just catch up. So no matter how much or how hard this may seem to be, as in everything happens for a reason, and I believe and hope that the best is yet to unfold. And then we have these people who sleep so much. So I know, like, people having fixed schedules and people who love their sleep have really enjoyed these 3-4 days, because you just have to compensate, and you all know that there's no other day that will come. Like, you'll not have this continuous holiday, not unless you're having your leave or you've worked overtime to save on a few hours, so that you may be able to secure and at some point enjoy it. But no matter where you did it, in no matter where you spent it, be it listening and watching these services, be it hanging out, be it hikes, be it like exploring adventure, all I can just say is, let us appreciate and let us just live to acknowledge the fact that Jesus Christ died for us, and the purpose as to why we are having these days, and the reasons as to why. Let us not forget that we human beings were created in God's image and likeness. So our bodies are the temple of Christ. So in everything you do, in every move you make, let not Easter be the only time that you draw yourself to Christ. Not just Easter. And as much as we had fun, we are living life, we are touching souls, like some of the people I interacted with happened to visit this children's home, like the home for the aged, where they happen to do donations, do some charity work, which is good. I really appreciate. And in as much as we are human, we are made in God's likeness and image. So let us not wait until it's Christmas or it's Easter. That's when we seek our soul. Just be a blessing to your soul and be a blessing to someone else. So until on Wednesday, I hope you all just have a blessed and the most amazing Easter ever. So I can't wait to see you guys, and let us touch lives. Don't forget that. So in case you're joining us for the first time, kindly don't forget to touch lives, inspire souls, and have the best Easter ever. On my side, I'm just living the moment. I'm just feeling the atmosphere, and so far so good. I'm liking it, having made that I love my personal space. So kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, give this video a thumbs up if at all you've been inspired, and most importantly, inspire souls, where you can share the videos, you can share the links, and you can just be a blessing to someone. So till then,